Everyone, today I am excited to share with you our journey in developing a 2D educational game that bridges the gap between fun and effective learning. Uh, for the introduction, we all know how vital education is for shaping young minds. However, many exciting educational games fail to strike the right balance between entertainment and education. Some games are overly simplistic, uh, making them unengaging, while others overwhelm children with complexity, negatively impacting learning outcomes. So we objectively develop engage and educational 2D games to help children learn more. Mm, like this case. Uh, for trying to develop this 2D game, we are encounter some challenge. The main challenge is the software quality assurance issues. Their string balance between entertainment and educational value is very difficult learning to insufficient game appeals, and the other challenge is focus on the project manager issue. This is due to important task distribution and poor communication. Development process was delayed and the resources were wasted. So there's a lot of issues. The user interface design is not intuitive and fails to attract children. And the game lacks sufficient gamification elements such as reward levels and challenges, which are necessary to motivate children to continue learning. Uh, and they have some slow game, load time, and lazy response time negatively impact a user's experience. These can result in some bad impact such as high user rate and low engagement, and poor educational effectiveness with no clear learning outcomes, and negative reputation with educational games seen as inefficient learning tools, and they can waste the resource as the developer the game fail to meet user needs. We are to engaging and imaging some solutions. First, we are focused on interactive mechanisms, progress through the problem solving, and next we are the personalization and AD difficulty based on children's abilities. Where I use a faster response, ensure smooth gameplay with quick loading, and where I use to solve the team communication, where I use WeChat for effective or collaborations, and where I use some techniques to solve some technology questions. So where I use all Unit and C++ for 2D game development, and use ugly development approach for quick update and player feedback interactions. And while design children-friendly or colorful and intuitive UI to enhance engagement. And finally, uh, And finally, in conclusion, the development of this 2D education game is a step toward transforming education through technologies with the right balance of fun and learning. We are confident this game will make a meaningful impact on children's lives. Thank you, everyone.